Are you struggling with hair loss, hair thinning, breakage, or slow growth? In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple hair treatment that you can make and use and watch your hair grow thicker and healthy. Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So to begin, we need the first ingredient, which is onions. We will be needing 2 small onions for this recipe, but you can also use one, and also you can use any type of onion you have, either white or red onion. Onion is high in sulfur. Sulfur may help to strengthen the hair from the root to tip because it contains keratin, and you know our hair is made up of keratin. So if you use onions on your hair, then your hair will grow stronger. It also helps to thicken hair naturally, especially if you are experiencing hair thinning, you have bald spots, and you want to grow your hair thicker. Your edges are thin, then you need to include something like onions to your hair care routine, and you will never regret. Onions really helps to increase hair growth and thickness. We will be needing cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural ingredient that you can use on your hair. It helps to also stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, and an increased blood circulation helps to fasten hair growth. Also, it contains a warming properties, which helps to warm the scalp, stimulating blood circulation, and also it contains antifungal and antibacterial properties, which can help to clean the scalp and make it healthy. A clean scalp environment create a healthy hair growth environment. So including cinnamon to your hair care routine will help to not only cleanse your scalp but also stimulate blood flow. Therefore, it will increase hair thickness. We will also be needing cloves. Cloves is really powerful and effective. This herb has been a game changer to my hair because I always use it every time I'm making my hair growth treatment. I don't forget to add it to my hair care routine, and it has really helped me to grow my hair. Cloves is rich in antioxidants compounds that may help to uh, increase blood circulation to the scalp. Also, it helps to thicken hair naturally, adding shine and strengthening the hair. So, if you have hair thinning and bald spot, then you should consider adding cloves to your hair care routine, and you will never regret. So I'm going to be adding the ingredients to a mason jar, and as you can see, I'm adding just a few cloves, and because cloves is very potent, you don't need to add a lot. So I went ahead and also added cinnamon, just a few sticks. Both cloves and cinnamon are really powerful. You will notice that by just adding a few cloves and cinnamon, your water will become dark. So I am covering this and I will leave it to infuse for about 8 hours. You can also extend the infusion for 24 hours for more nutrient absorption. So after 8 hours, you can see how it's looking like. All the ingredients infused, and the treatment turned the color into dark brown, which means that it is perfect. So right now I'm straining out, and I'm gonna transfer this to my little jug here so I can be able to transfer to my applicator bottle. So if you guys are still watching this video and you haven't liked it, please like it. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Share the video to your loved ones. In this channel, I share DIY hair growth videos that can help you to grow your hair naturally. So right now we are moving to the application, and I will be showing you how I use this treatment on my hair. So this is the treatment and I'll be using it on my hair. My hair is not clean, but I'm just remoisturizing it. So I'm applying this from the scalp before I move to saturate my hair. Once I spray this, I make sure to just use my fingers to distribute and also do some massage so that my scalp get well moisturized. This treatment is really powerful and effective if you use it consistently, especially if you use it as a leave-in, then you will notice a change. Your hair will grow thicker, stronger, and healthier. If you are struggling with hair thinning, your hair is shedding unnecessarily, you have bald spots, then you need to be using this treatment as a leave-in and you will never regret because your hair will grow thicker and healthier. So I have been using herbal hair teas as leave-in treatments and they have really saved my hair. If you're not new here, you know where I have come from. My hair was thin and it was unhealthy, but right now my hair is the healthiest because I have been using these herbal teas. Also, my hair has increased in thickness because of them. So if you want to grow your hair healthy and if you're struggling with those problems, then you need to start adding herbal teas as leave-in treatments. You can also use these teas as a rinse off after shampooing your hair. They help to, prevent hair shedding. After you wash your hair, then you can pour the treatment all over your hair and cover it for about 30 minutes. And then you can go ahead and rinse it off. But for me to have achieved all the amazing benefits, I use them as leave-in treatments and they have really helped me. So this treatment is beneficial. Do not skip to massage your scalp every time you use it. Also, whenever you use this treatment, do not forget to follow with other moisturizing routine. Do not forget to moisturize your hair, applying a leave-in conditioner and hair butter or oil of your choice in order to prevent your hair from drying. So after this, I'll just go ahead with other moisturizing routine of the camera. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Also, like this video and share to your family and friends. And also, do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I will reply. See you in the next.